What is up guys, Tan of the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the sound ID on Roblox and copy it. So first you need to head over to the Roblox website and then log in with your Roblox account. And after that, you need to simply click on this create button. After clicking on create, a new window will open from here. On the left side, you need to click on creations. After clicking on creations, here the creations window will open, and after that, when the creations window has been opened, you can see your experiences here. But if you want to copy the audio, you just need to click on development items and then click on audio. After clicking on audio, here you will see all the audios that you have uploaded. Just simply click on that and then you can copy the ID or you can copy the audio. And if you have the images or videos to copy, you can click on this images and then you can see all the images from here and then copy and paste it. And then when you want to copy a video, you can click on this videos tab and then you can just do that as the same process. So this is how you can copy your ID or music ID or audio ID on Roblox. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.